Hi guys, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my experience of the Kitabe mystery box. I have done mystery box videos before as well. For example, the 99bookscart.com video and the Used Books Factory mystery box video as well. So if you have not watched those videos, then you can definitely watch them. I will provide the links in the description box. The mystery box that I got is in the size small, so it costs you rupees 999 and there are going to be 10 books in it. You are also supposed to receive 4 bookmarks. However, I did not get any bookmarks in my package. Maybe they forgot to pack them, I don't know, but I did not get any. So yeah, the order was placed on the 28th of May and I received the package on 1st June. I got the mixed fiction box. So basically in a mixed fiction box you get different books from different genres. There are other boxes such as young adult and thriller, I think somewhat like that, so you can choose for yourself which box you want. I think that mixed fiction is a nice choice because you get to read different kinds of books, so that's why I always choose mixed fiction when it comes to mystery boxes. In case you don't have any concept about these mystery boxes, so the thing is, these companies like Kitabe, 99bookscart.com, usedbooksfactory.com, they sell you second-hand used books. That's why you get so many books in such a cheap price, because if you go and buy new books, of course they will cost you a lot of money. So these are second-hand books. Some of you guys ask me if these books are pirated or anything as such. As of now, I have not received one book that is pirated. Most of these books are just old, not even second hand. So that's something that I wanted to clarify. I know what a pirated book looks like. I used to shop a lot from the College Street Books market, and that market is filled with pirated books. So I know when I hold a book, I know if it's pirated or not. So trust me on that. These people do not sell pirated books. Alright, so now let's jump into the video. Have a look at all the books. I will show you the books from all different angles so that you can judge for yourself whether you would like to invest in this box or not. In the end of the video, I will also share with you my judgment and conclusion of this box. So if you would want to know, then stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So this is the Kitabe.com mystery box. It's written "Unravel the Surprise Within." So now we will open the box and see all the books that are inside. But before that, let's see the condition of the package. As you can see, it's a little damaged from the side, and overall the box is not in a perfect condition, but I think it's on the courier company's service. They did not handle the package well, and I think that's why it's a little bit damaged. But I think if the books are perfect, then the packaging doesn't really matter to me personally. So here are all the books. Now let's see if there are 10 books or not. We will count that first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, there are 10 books. The first book is The Finkler Question by Howard Jacobson. Now this book is the winner of the Man Booker Prize 2010, and apparently this book is a combination of tragedy and comedy, and I think Shakespeare was really famous for doing that. So I think the story is going to be very interesting. The book is also in a very good condition. I don't see any damages whatsoever. The next book is The Married Girls by Diane Costello. Now Diane Costello is known for her humor and the way she combines different human emotions. So that's something that she is really famous for. She has written a lot of books and short stories as well. So I'm really looking forward to read this book because I know that it's going to be really fun. She is also the best-selling author of the book called The Girl with No Name, and I have heard a lot about that book. I've not read that book, but I know that she's famous for this one particular book, and again the quality seems really nice. So overall, really excited to pick this one. The next book is Digging to America by Annie Tyler. Now this book is about two tiny Korean babies who are delivered to two very different Baltimore families, and every year on the anniversary of arrival day, the two families celebrate together as little Susan and Jin Ho take roots and become Americans. So this book is all about belonging, and not only belonging to a family but also to a nation. The next book is The Unbearable Lightness of Scones by Alexander McCall Smith. Now this author is a well-known author and he has written so many stories that it's unreal. So yeah, I have never really read anything by him, but I am quite aware of his writing, so I'm really excited to pick this book. Now as you can see that the book is of course not perfect, it's definitely old, but overall I think we can definitely work with it. It's not really that bad, just some pages are folded, so yeah, that's completely fine to me. The next book is The Clippy Girls by Margaret Dickinson. Now this book is a family saga that has a lot of drama. Now personally, I'm not really a family drama kind of person. I don't like reading such books, but I guess it's going to be a little bit of a change for me reading wise. So let's see if I will enjoy it. The book is in a good condition, so yeah, a thumbs up for that. The next book is Jigs and Reels by Joanne Harris. Now this book is a collection of short stories, and this book kind of indulges in very weird and dark topics such as suburban witches, defiant old ladies, aging monsters, suicidal lottery winners, wolf men, and so many other topics like that. So I think this book is going to be pretty interesting. Let's see if I will enjoy it or not. The next book is Undue Influence by Anita Bruckner, and she is known for her writing style. Her writing is very lyrical, flowy, and very beautiful, so I'm really excited about that. And apparently this book is her best, so I think that makes this book even more special. So let's see if I will enjoy it or not. The book is, by the way, very beautiful. I really love the cover. The next book is Odd Hours by Dean Koontz, and I have read around 4 to 5 books by this author, and I must tell you that he's definitely one of my favorite authors. The best part about his books is that his books are very interesting, and you will finish his books in one sitting because that's how interesting they are, and they are full of twists and they are very thrilling. So I'm really excited about this book again because obviously it's written by him, so it's going to be very interesting. So yes, the book is also in a perfectly good condition, so that adds up to my whole excitement about this book. The next book is The Dark of the Sun by Wilbur Smith. Now I don't really have any idea about this author or this book, but whatever I've read about this book on, like, from the back cover, this seems like a really dangerous book, like very bloodthirsty, and there's a lot of blood everywhere in its blurb. So let's see if I will actually enjoy this book or not. Sounds very scary to me personally, but let's see. And finally, the last book is The Waterway Girls by Millie Adams. I checked the rating on internet and it's 4.2 stars. I think that's pretty good. This is a historical fiction book. I love historical fiction, so I'm assuming that I will enjoy this book as well. I don't have much idea about this book, so I can't really tell you about that, but the condition of this book is really good. As you can see, it's almost new. I think it is new, but yeah, I'm excited about this book too. Alright, so those were all the books. Quality wise, I definitely give them a big thumbs up because the books were in amazing shape and quality, so that's great. Now let's talk about the collection of books that I got in this box. The collection in itself, I don't see a lot of variety in it. Apart from the Dean Koontz book, I don't see any other book that is very exciting for me. So if I have to rate the Kitabi Mystery Box, right from the packaging to not receiving the bookmarks to the collection of the books, I will rate it around 7. So neither am I going to recommend you this box, nor am I going to say that I don't recommend this box. I feel like I've shared everything with full honesty in this video, so you can make your own decision and judgment. Alright guys, so that was all for today's video. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it valuable. If you did, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you are notified with all the further notifications, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.